Now, in just a moment, when the music starts, the first person to blow up, tie, sit on and pop those 3 balloons in a row will win 2 tickets to the high roller, the world's tallest observation wheel. Now, word of advice, guys, the bigger you blow up your balloons, the easier they will be to pop. And you must actually tie your balloons before sitting on them. No cheating, Kier. All right, are you ready? Audience, are you ready? On your mark, get set, go! And they're up. Come on, Penelopy! Chris! I love you!
Go, Penelope!
Here comes Penelopy for number 1! She is freaking out! Here comes Chris! Oh, yeah! That's awkward. All right, yeah! Here comes Peter! Oh, wow! Excellent thrusting. Here comes Penelopy. Bang! There's number 2. Feeling it! In the groove! Here looks like he's gonna pass out. Rowdy crowd, they love it. That's a very small balloon, Chris. Chris is just keeping her score. Penelopy! Freaking out like she just won the lottery. Followed by Chris. Followed by Kier, who was never really in it. Give it up, guys. Big round of applause for Chris, Penelopy, and Kier. All right, guys, get off the stage. Keep it going.